Hi guys, so this is my analysis on Ethereum. What am I expecting on Ethereum? If you watched my previous analysis on Ethereum, I said I'm expecting a bit of a push to the downside and up to continue to the upside because my targets are around this area because of this break of structure. So I said I'm expecting it to at least get to my negative 27% level, but we can see it didn't get there. Almost got there. We can see right at this level right here, we almost really got there, but it rejected off a few points before we now continue to the downside, which is great. So but at least we almost got to our direction. And like I see right here, I said because my targets were my negative 27, my negative 61.8% fib level, and my reason is you always know my negative 27 will always be my first target. My second target is negative 61.8, and that aligned with the trend line touch. I was expecting a possible move like this to touch the trend line then before we continue to the downside, because my bearish move target is still around this level and it hasn't touched there yet, so I'm still expecting a touch around that level. But as you can see, as of right now, we didn't get to really touch my negative 27 before we pull down, so I can just reanalyze based on my current price action. So let me use my my trend line right here. So we can see, I can see a break of structure around this area. If you see it, there's a break of structure. I don't like cutting off candles sometimes, so I'm just going to put it around it here, but we can see there is a break of structure around that area. So because of that, direction might have changed, to be honest. So if I put in right here the previous low, there's a break of structure around that area, but I would prefer it to at least come to this level, reject off this level because there's an imbalance here, reject off that level. Then if I see a down push and breaking the next level, then that's more guaranteed that we are now continue on a bearish move. So before I take a bullish move, right, because we can still be here right here and still push up, to be honest, because I said my target is around this area right here, but we just have to be mindful of how it's reacting. So we have to look for a little bit more confluence to now know what direction we are going to. But like I said, just because of it has broken structure, there's a possibility that it has changed character right at that level, but I want more confluences to be sure that it has actually changed character. Like I said, a break of structure, I would prefer it to at least maybe push up to this imbalance right here. There's a possibility, then push down again. Then I want to see another break of structure for it to be more confirmed that we have changed direction to a bearish move, I mean. Because if you don't be patient to see that the direction has actually changed, we can still see this as a bullish move. And my reason is because we can see it like giving us a double bottom right here, which is an a reversal pattern. So we can see this as a double bottom and it might continue to push up to my previous direction. That is why I said this has not really confirmed yet that we have changed direction. So I still see a bullish move around this current price action, so we just have to be patient and wait for the direction to actually change for us to now see it as a bearish move. So like I said, those are the two scenarios I think on Ethereum. We just have to be patient and say, so if we see it coming up, so if we see it's coming up and like probably rejecting and give us a lower high, then break off structure, then that is amazing. Then we might push down to my next target, and if not, then we have to, then if not, then there's a possibility it might still just come down here to my negative 27%, touch that level, and that is also a touch of a trend line as well at that level to now continue to push to my overall down, and we can still wake up to my negative 61 before we continue to push down. So those are my scenarios. We just have to be patient to see how that goes, to see how we have to be patient to see how it goes to know our direct move. But those are my overall opinion on Ethereum as of right now. So if you enjoyed this, please don't forget to share, comment and like, and I will see you in my next analysis on Ethereum. And don't forget to use risk management because it's really important. See you guys. Thank you.